Okay, guys. Welcome to a new tutorial on how to make your Piggy game better, part 7. So, so let's just get this over with, and let's start with the stun animation. So, if you looked around here, you see stun, but you don't know what that's used for. Well, let's just make them right now. So we're just gonna insert a dummy. Now we just create our own animation. I'm just gonna call it stun or Piggy. So now we just make the stun animation. I'm gonna go simple. So let me just make it a little bit different. Then we could just copy the first frame. And let's just see how this looks. And there we go. Now let's just export. Now we just paste in our ID. Now we already got that. Now let's do the crawl animation. So now we're just going to create a new one, and we're going to put crawl. Now right now in your own game, you guys probably already have a crawl animation, but probably most of you guys probably don't. So we're going to do that. So we're just going to make him crawl. You can make it simple or just complex. So I would just make it really simple. And oh yeah, wait, I forgot. Don't be like me. If your games are 15, then if your games are 15, use an R15 dummy. I'm stupid for that. Okay, so we're gonna make crawl. Okay, don't make that mistake. So I'll just lower the torso. Which sometimes making a crawl animation is really difficult to do. If you want to make it complex, then it will be really difficult. Just gonna make the animation really simple. And now we can make our other frame. And now we can just copy the first frame. Now make sure to loop it, or else it'll not work. Because then it's just gonna play like 3 frames and that's it. And make sure it's action. After doing that, now save. And just export it. Name it E. And go to the crawl. Where it's at. Oh wait. Aims. And then paste it. There you go. Basically this will make the crawl animation. And I'll just leave these here just just so you guys can use these. Now we can move on to the two main parts. Round module with Piggy spawn script. Now why we need this? Well, do you just hate it how when you're just playing your own game, right? And then you're AFK, right? And then Piggy just kills you because Piggy's also in that same spawn. Well, this has the Piggy script in it. And let's just look inside because it looks normal, right? Well, inside the script has Piggy spawns. What basically that means is that so I'll explain right now. So we're just gonna make sure this is the correct one. Be careful when you're okay. Yeah, this now we can just delete the old one. And might be asking what now? That's not it. Open any chapter. Well, actually every chapter actually. So open every chapter and delete and not delete. Copy and then basically gonna erase Piggy and just basically have one player spawn. And then erase again with only Piggy. And you can move it wherever you want. Because again, we're just going to make it only the player gets separated, doesn't get killed immediately. You can customize this, you could put the spawns wherever you want. It's going to put it like how the first chapter in Piggy is. And make sure to call this the player spawns to Piggy spawns. And do the same thing to the same chapter. Just duplicate. Just erase Piggy. Except that one spawn. And just delete every spawn in the second folder. Oh, oops. Accidentally pasted something. So erase that. Now we're just gonna name it Piggy. And that's it. Now we just put it back in chapters. Now the last one I want to do is characters for Piggy Kit. Now I might be asking why do I see these three? Why? Basically, you know how in build mode you can choose whoever you want to play as. Well, you have to buy them, but let's say you want to play as George, right? Or someone else in build mode. Basically that, except you're playing it in the main game. So ungroup, and you'll get put replicated storage, put server script storage. Server script service, and put in storage UI. Now we're just gonna put these lads and ungroup. The next one is put in server script storage. And there we go. And the last one, put in storage UI. Put it there and there. So basically this puts the character GUI. And now let's start playing it and seeing if this works. Now the crawl should work. And everything should be fine. This joinings and okay. Click. I just remove this and this. And it works. The character thing works. You could play as whoever you want. And I could just choose whoever I want to be. Now you could add more characters to here. But this is just where you get in the kit. Just waiting for the game to load in. Just gonna play as Willow for this. And mission should work. Oh, hold on, let me just read for a second. And I didn't even get to try to do it. Well, that was a fail. Okay, let's try that again because I messed it up. Which was pretty dumb. Okay, so the Piggy spawns worked. Which is something I actually was expecting. Now we're just gonna test the crawl. And if the crawl animation works, then that's it. Now stun, I can't do that right now because I need like an extra player. And see, and it works. And that's basically it, how to make your Piggy game better. Part 7. And I'm basically gonna add more parts to this. I'm not sure how many parts I'm gonna do, but I'll at least try. Well, I guess that's it, and bye.